Plastic. Imported. Fully assembled. Includes 2 child-sized chairs. Durable fun. Easy to clean surface. Complements bright and bold toy chest, made in USA. Top reviews from the United States. Best toddler table out there. No, seriously. I bought this to replace a different table I bought before. I love this. No crevasses where food gets stuck. Easy to wipe down. It doesn't wear and tear like other tables. My toddler can move it around easily. The one thing I would recommend is placing furniture pads on the bottom of the chairs. They do slide around a bit too easily on tile or wood. I wish I would have bought this table first.